When is World Environment Day observed? A. The 5th of June. B. The 22nd of April. C. The 16th of September. D. 2 October. Correct answer is A. 5 June. When is Teachers' Day celebrated in India? A. The 5th of October. B. The 5th of September. C. The 14th of November. D. 15 August. Correct answer is B. 5 September. Bharatanatyam is a classical dance of which state? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Tamil Nadu. In which state are the Ajanta and Ellora caves located? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. How often is the Kumbh Mela held? A. Every 6 years. B. Every 10 years. C. Every 12 years. D. Every 5 years. Correct answer is C. Every 12 years. Who built the Sanchi Stupa? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Harsha. C. Ashoka. D. Kanishka. Correct answer is C. Ashoka. Who was India's first female IPS officer? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Pratibha Patil. Correct answer is C. Kiran Bedi. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. Rakesh Sharma. Correct answer is B. Neil Armstrong. Which is the largest mosque in India? A. Jama Masjid, Delhi. B. Taj ul Masajid, Bhopal. C. Makkah Masjid, Hyderabad. D. Fatehpuri Masjid, Delhi. Correct answer is B. Taj ul Masajid, Bhopal. Which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is D. Pacific Ocean. Which metal is called the metal of kings? A. Silver. B. Gold. C. Platinum. D. Copper. Correct answer is B. Gold. Which is the lightest gas? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is D. Hydrogen. In which country did the Olympic Games originate? A. Italy. B. Greece. C. France. D. USA. Correct answer is B. Greece. Which is the highest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Kanchenjunga. C. Mount Everest. D. Maklu. Correct answer is C. Mount Everest. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? A. Akbar. B. Babur. C. Humayun. D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer is B. Babur. Who wrote the book Arthashastra? A. Kautilya. Chanakya. B. Kalidasa, C. Banabhatta, D. Vishnu Sharma. Correct answer is A. Kautilya, Chanakya. Which battle led to the establishment of British rule in India? A. Battle of Buxar, B. Battle of Plassey, C. First Battle of Panipat, D. Second Battle of Tarain. Correct answer is B. Battle of Plassey. Who was the first Indian ruler to accept the subsidiary alliance with the British? A. Tipu Sultan, B. Nizam of Hyderabad, C. Rani Lakshmibai, D. Nawab of Awadh. Correct answer is B. Nizam of Hyderabad. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Kanpur? A. Bahadur Shah Zafar, B. Nana Sahib, C. Tatya Tope, D. Rani Lakshmibai. Correct answer is B. Nana Sahib. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? A. 10, B. 12, C. 8, D. 11. Correct answer is B. 12.